A. Alligator. Cute green alligator smiling near river, splashing water happily, jungle background. B. Bear. Fluffy brown bear waving hands in forest, colorful flowers around. C. Cat. Cute kitten playing with yarn ball inside bright cartoon house. D. Duck. Yellow duck swimming in blue pond with baby ducks. E. Elephant. Big friendly elephant spraying water with trunk in jungle. F. Flamingo. Pink flamingo standing in a lake at sunset, colorful sky. G. Goat. Happy white goat jumping on green hill. H. Horse. Brown horse running in a meadow with butterflies. I. Iguana. Green iguana sitting on tree branch, tropical leaves. J. Jellyfish. Cute glowing jellyfish floating underwater with bubbles. K. Kangaroo. Kangaroo jumping with baby in pouch, sunny field. L. Lion. Smiling lion with big mane sitting proudly in savannah. M. Mouse. Tiny mouse eating cheese in colorful kitchen. N. Newt. Cute newt swimming in small pond with plants. O. Ostrich. Tall ostrich running fast in desert cartoon style. P. Pig. Pink pig playing in mud happily. Q. Quail. Small quail bird walking in grass with chicks. R. Rhino. Friendly rhino walking near river with birds flying. S. Snake. Cute green snake smiling curled on branch. T. Tiger. Playful tiger cub jumping in jungle. U. Unicorn. Magical unicorn with rainbow mane in Fantasyland. V. Varanus. Monitor lizard. Big lizard walking on rock in sunny environment. W. Whale. Happy blue whale jumping out of the ocean with splash. X. X-ray fish. Transparent glowing fish underwater showing bones. Y. Yak. Big fluffy yak walking in snowy mountains. Z. Zebra. Cute zebra running in grassy plain with sunshine.